Hey, guys. I'm out here in the snow today. I just wanted to share a little bit of my experience. Walking around and enjoying this beautiful weather. It is so peaceful out here right now. The only sounds you can hear are the crunchy footsteps. And sometimes even the sound of your own breathing. And it feels like everything else has stopped. There's something about being surrounded by nature that makes me feel alive again. Every step that I take through these deep snowdrifts is an adventure on its own. You never know what surprises await ahead. Maybe there will be some hidden treasures buried beneath all this white stuff. Or maybe I'll stumble upon another creature who enjoys winter as much as I do. Either way, I am ready for anything. As I continue walking along this path, the scenery keeps changing with every turn. Sometimes it looks like a winter wonderland, with trees covered in fresh powder. Other times it seems more desolate than ever before. But no matter how different things look from one place to another, they always have their own unique charm. That's why I love exploring new places during wintertime. You get to see parts of yourself you didn't know existed before. Walking outside in cold temperatures can actually help boost your mood by releasing endorphins into your bloodstream. Plus, when you go outside after being cooped up inside all day long due to bad weather conditions, it gives you a chance to clear your head and focus better at work or school later on. So if you find yourself feeling down lately, try stepping outside for a few minutes each day. Just make sure not to overdo it though, because exposure to extreme coldness could lead to frostbite injuries if left unchecked. Another great thing about going outdoors during winter months is getting exercise while having fun too. Whether you prefer skiing downhill slopes or sledding across flat surfaces, there are plenty of activities available for everyone who wants them. Even if you don't enjoy sports very much, simply taking walks around town will still provide enough physical activity without putting strain on joints, like knees or ankles would otherwise occur indoors. Lastly, but certainly not least, winter brings us closer together socially speaking. When temperatures drop below freezing levels overnight, people tend to huddle near fireplaces while sharing stories under warm blankets, instead of sitting alone watching TV shows indoors where heaters blast away constantly. This creates opportunities for bonding experiences among family members living nearby, as well as friends hanging out together outside after finishing dinner parties inside. In conclusion, whether you live somewhere tropical, where rain falls frequently year-round, or somewhere far north like Canada, where heavy snowfall occurs seasonally, going outside during wintertime offers numerous benefits, both mentally and physically alike. If possible, try spending time outdoors daily, regardless of how harsh conditions may seem at first glance. Trust me, once you start experiencing those moments firsthand instead of hearing about them secondhand through social media posts online, your perspective towards life itself might shift forevermore. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave any comments or questions below, and let me know what other topics you want me to cover in future videos. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you won't miss out on future uploads. Also hit that notification bell icon so you receive updates whenever I post something new. Thanks again for watching. And until next time, stay safe out there. Oh yeah, real quick before we wrap things up completely, please consider liking this video, since doing so helps support creators such as myself financially when YouTube decides to monetize our content based off engagement metrics from viewers like yourselves. With that said, thank you again for tuning into this episode, and hopefully we'll catch up sometime soon. Bye bye. Alright guys, thanks again for sticking around till the end. Now if you liked what you saw here today, then please give this video a thumbs up, so others will also appreciate it too. Additionally, if you haven't already done so yet, consider subscribing because then we both benefit greatly from mutual growth within ourselves, together as a community overall. Anyways, thank you guys so much once again for tuning into this episode, and I hope to see you back here tomorrow morning, bright and early. Goodbye.